Hello, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, June 10th. The State Department of Health reports that statewide 54% of residents have been fully vaccinated, with 60% initiating vaccination. This is great news as Kauai will enter Tier 5 once the state reaches 60% of fully vaccinated residents. Today we have two new cases on Kauai. Both are adult residents whose source of infection is related to mainland travel, and both are close contacts of previous cases. Our cumulative case count is 368, including 326 confirmed locally, 3 probable, and 39 tested out of state off island but reported after the arrival to Kauai. We have 5 active cases on island and 59 people in health-directed quarantine. No one is hospitalized. Masks are no longer required outdoors, but they are still required indoors and continue to be recommended for larger, crowded outdoor gatherings. As a reminder, we're currently in Tier 4 of our Kauai business and recreational guidelines for COVID-19. At 60% statewide vaccination levels, we'll move into a less restrictive Tier 5, and when we reach statewide average of 70%, we'll eliminate the tier chart restrictions altogether. To view the Kauai tier chart, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. Governor Ige last announced that he is amending the Safe Travels program. Effective June 15th, the inter-island travel quarantine will be lifted. At that time, inter-island travelers will no longer be required to show proof of vaccine or negative test results in order to travel between islands. Also effective June 15th, if you have been fully vaccinated with at least one of your doses administered in Hawaii, you can be exempt from the mainland travel quarantine with proof of your vaccine. Once our state reaches 70% fully vaccinated residents, the governor plans to end the Safe Travels program. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. If you have recently returned from travel, please get a free COVID-19 test at the convention hall, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. No appointments needed. Please do not show up to the convention hall clinic if you have symptoms, and instead call your healthcare provider. All Kauai residents ages 12 and older are eligible to receive a vaccine. Minors ages 12 to 17 years old must be accompanied to their appointment by a parent or a guardian. For the full list of locations, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. There are also several upcoming pop-up vaccine clinics for those 18 and older. They are sponsored by Ho'olalahui Community Health Clinic in partnership with Malamapono Health Services, the Kauai District Health Office, and the County of Kauai. Pop-up vaccine clinics for people 18 and older will be held Saturday, June 12th at Laukona Park in Honolulu, and on June 19th at the Ainainaho Farmers Market in Kilauea and the Kamakani Community Hall. To register, please call the Ho'olalahui hotline at 808-938-0938. More pop-up clinics are being planned. For times and other details on pop-up clinics and all the vaccine sites, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. The governor has announced a new rewards program with prizes for people who are vaccinated locally. Prizes include free travel, car leases, restaurants, meals, gift certificates, and lots more. If you have been vaccinated in the state of Hawaii, sign up for prizes at hi.gotvaccinated.com. We continue to ask everyone, including incoming travelers, to download the Aloha Safe Alert app onto your smartphone. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification which alerts you if you've been in close contact with someone exposed to COVID-19. This app does not track your location. The county's Coronavirus Rental and Utility Assistance Program is still available in partnership with KGE FCU. If you or someone you know is having trouble with paying rent or utility bills, encourage them to apply to this program. To apply online or for a list of assistance events, visit kauaiRentHelp.com/home. The County of Kauai offices will be closed tomorrow, Friday, June 11th, in observance of Kamehameha Day. The Kekaha Landfill, all refuse transfer stations, the Puhi Metals Recycling Center, the Reynolds Recycling High Five Redemption Center in Lihue, and all the neighborhood centers and the Kupa'a and Waimea swimming pools will be closed. The High Five Redemption Center, operated by Kauai Community Recycling Services in Kilauea, along with County Residential Refuse Pickup and the Kauai Bus, will continue to operate on regular schedules. This will be our last Thursday video on COVID updates. Starting next week, our updates will be posted weekly on Mondays. You can find our videos online at kauai.gov/COVID-19 or on the official County of Kauai Facebook page. And a special mahalo to Ho'ike TV, Kong Radio, and other media partners who have helped to share our COVID updates throughout the year. Please continue to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Wear your masks when indoors, wash your hands, keep your distance, avoid large gatherings, and of course, consider getting a vaccine. Mahalo for helping to keep Kauai safe.